Good morning all of you. In the last class we have discussed about the incremental increase method of population forecasting, and today we are going to discuss about the next method, that is decreasing rate of growth method. This method is suitable for the cities where the rate of growth is in downward trend. That means the percentage increase in population goes on reducing as the cities reach towards saturation. Here in this method we will find out what is the average decrease in percentage increase, and then that average decrease is to be subtracted from the latest percentage increase of for the successive decades. So, this method will be more clear when we will solve one example using this method. So, we have population data of different decades . So, for 1980 for a particular city the population was 80,000, for 1990 1,20,000, for 2000 1,68,000, and for 2010 it is 2,28,580. So, first we will calculate what is the increase in population. So, what is the increase in population for different decades? For 1980 the population was 80,000, and in 1990 it becomes 1,20,000. So, what will be the increase in population? That is 40,000. Similarly, for the next decade it is 48,000, for the next decade it is 60,580. Then we will find out what is the percentage increase in population. Percentage increase in population. What is the percentage increase in population? So, what is the percentage increase? For first decade the increase in population is 40,000, and for the initial population was 80,000. So, the percentage increase in population is 50%. Similarly, for the next decade the increase in population is 48,000, and the initial one is 1,20,000. One lakh 20,000 into 100. So, this becomes 40%. Then for the next decade the increase in population is 60,580, and the initial was 1,68,000 into 100. Which is coming out to be 36%. Okay. Then in the next column we will find out what is the decrease in percentage increase. So, see In the first decade, the percentage increase was 50%. In the next decade, it was 40%. In the next, it was 36%. So, the population, the growth rate goes on reducing. So, what will be the decrease in percentage increase? So, for first decade, it will be the decrease is 10%. Then for the next decade, it will be 4% from 40 to 36. So, what will be the average decrease in percentage increase? So, the total value is 14% and the average becomes average decrease in percentage increase is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7%. Okay. So, then as per decreasing rate growth method, this 7%, the average decrease will be subtracted from the latest percentage increase. So, for the next decade, we are having the data of 2010 and it is asked to find out the population of 2020. So, for 2020, this one is the latest. So, that 7% average value will be deducted from this 36% in order to get the net increase in population for the next decade. So, we will prepare another table . Showing the year, then what is the net percentage increase in population and what will be the forecasted population. So, it is asked to find out the population for the year 2020. So, what is the net percentage increase in population for 2020? So, as per this method, the latest percentage increase was in 2010, it was 36%. From this 36, we will subtract the average decrease and the net increase for 2020 will be 29%. So, population will be how much? The population in the 2010 was 2,28,580. That means the population for 2020 will be 29% more than the percentage of 2010. The increase in population is this much, which is coming out to be 2,94,870. Okay. Then similarly for 2030, what will be the net percentage increase in population? So, for 2030, 2020 is the latest one and the percentage increase is 29. So, from 29 we will subtract what is the average decrease, that is 7. So, it is 22%. Then what will be the population for 2020? For 2030. So, we will consider the population of 2020. That means the population of 2030 will be 22% more than the population of 2020. So it is coming out to be 3,59,740. Okay. Then what will be the population for 2040? So for 2040, the latest one will become 22. From 22 we will subtract what is the average decrease, that is 7. So the result is net increase will be 15%. Okay, 15%. So population of 2040 will become 15% more than the population of 2030. That means the latest one. So that will be 3,59,870 plus 15% of 3,59,870, which is coming out to be 4,13,700. So in this manner we will forecast the population for future decades using decreasing rate of growth method. This is all about for today's class. Thank you.